An Indian making his first UPI transaction in Sri Lanka, as the service was launched in the island nation and also in Mauritius. And witnessing it virtually were Prime Minister Modi, his Mauritian counterpart Praveen Jugnauth, and Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe. If UPI has revolutionized the speed and ease of making digital transactions in India, it is expected to come in handy for Indian tourists going to Sri Lanka and Mauritius, just as it has in countries such as France, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates. Also, when people from these countries travel to India, they can make payments through UPI, which would spare them the hassle of carrying cash. Introduced in India in 2016, UPI has been a game changer, an example of the country's fintech prowess. It's popular and it's used extensively even in small towns and villages. Last year, 100 billion UPI transactions worth Rs 2 lakh crores took place. PM Modi, who has emphasized sharing India's development experience and innovation with friendly countries, says it's now a means of partnership.
इंडियन ओशन क्षेत्र के 3 मित्र देशों के लिए आज एक विशेष दिन है। अपने ऐतिहासिक संबंधों को आज हम आधुनिक डिजिटल रूप से जोड़ रहे हैं। ये हमारे लोगों के विकास के लिए हमारे कमिटमेंट का प्रमाण है। फिनटेक कनेक्टिविटी के माध्यम से केवल क्रॉस बॉर्डर ट्रांजैक्शंस की ही नहीं, क्रॉस बॉर्डर कनेक्शन को भी बल मिलेगा। भारत का यूनिफाइड पेमेंट्स इंटरफेस यानी यूपीआई आज नया दायित्व निभा रहा है, यूनाइटिंग पार्टनर्स with India.
Mauritian banks can issue RuPay cards, allowing people to make secure payments. RuPay, a global card payment network originating in India, boasts widespread acceptance at various points of sale, ATMs, and online platforms. The Indian government issued RuPay cards in 2012 to break the monopoly of Visa and MasterCard. The Prime Minister highlighted India's focus on its neighborhood-first policy and reiterated that India will be the first responder.
भारत की नीति है नेबरहुड फर्स्ट। हमारा मैरीटाइम विजन है सागर। सागर यानी सिक्योरिटी एंड ग्रोथ फॉर ऑल इन द रीजन। हमारा लक्ष्य है पूरे क्षेत्र में शांति, सुरक्षा और विकास। भारत अपने विकास को अपने पड़ोसी मित्रों से अलग रख करके नहीं देखता।